Hey guys, what's happening? How to trade on Kraken Pro. To trade on Kraken Pro, you will need a verified Kraken account with funds deposited. The main steps involve navigating to the trade section, right? And select the currency pair, right? Let's say BTC USD, right? Inside, I'm gonna place an order, okay? You can buy or sell. In my case, I'm gonna buy. And place an order using either market or limit order type, okay? And let's say I want a limit order. Enter the amount in USD. If you want to use margin to borrow some money, you can do that in your own time, right? If not, just leave it out. Scroll a little bit down, and what you're gonna do next, hit buy or sell buy or sell Bitcoin. Okay, please be aware that this is not a financial advice, so study the market before you execute. And once you hit buy, you're gonna monitor your trade here in the orders. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. See you in the next one.